Yes, we got a 2016 Jeep Patriot changing the left turn signal light. Got to get into this inner wheel well panel, and basically we got 3 screws and 3 anchors. Pretty simple anchors to remove. Just remove the middle portion and it releases the anchor so it can slide out of the holes there. See that? So we got to get in here, get in this inside fender to be able to reach the bulb for that left turn signal there. Is remove. There's a total of 3 screws. I believe this is the 7mm, and then the 3 anchors. 3 anchors. But right inside this bumper area, there's another screw here. Not sure what size. That screw right there, in order for us to be able to reach where the light bulb area is. So it is a 7mm screw bolt, and pretty much get in there with a small socket wrench and remove the extra screw. One there. Yeah. Once this screw is removed from here on this edge, then you just slide it forward from the fastener there, right there. This guy slides in there, and then you can get to the light bulb. So basically, we'll see how that goes. Now you can get to the light bulb, and it has a wire connector that you just squeeze this part right here, this little tab, pull it out. That comes off of this, and now you can this little housing, this light housing, twist off the socket there. See how there's 3 little what do you call that, slots? So just twist it counterclockwise and it'll be able to slip it out. So reverse it, install it. So let's remove the light bulb now. Pull it off and
put it back in.
Slide in the new one. So you line up your little housing here.
Can you hold it?
Yeah. Line up the housing. It's gotta be a certain way. Look at it real quick. There's 3. 1, 2. Okay. One's larger than the other 2. So you just line them up. There's one larger on this side here. Line it up, twist. Gotta use 2 hands. Well, let's see. Supposed to twist. Did I twist it already? Yeah, I did twist it. It just takes a little bit then. Line it up, twist. Oh, it keeps going. There you go. Make sure it's like a quarter turn. Once it's installed, connect the wire. Make sure it clicks. Well, it's not gonna click, but it's gonna latch on. Now we're gonna test the light before we install everything else. We can go ahead and slide this in. All right, we got it working. Nice, nicely done. And that, the other side, make sure. All right, so that's how you change the light bulb on a 2016 Jeep Patriot. Bye for now. So this is the finished product, what it looks like. There's the 3 screws there, the one hidden inside here, and there's 2 on the bottom, right there somewhere. All right, thank you. Be to God.